Welcome back, guys. So this is the CB1000. This is the second visit. I've brought with me a replacement starter motor. It's not original part, and I've got a rectifier, which is a Max one. These are pretty much like the original part. Good quality, not too expensive. And the starter motor, it was a bit of an ordeal getting this. So there is obviously many choices on eBay. This one was supposed to be an arrowhead. It turns out, I think the problem is that the 2010, which is what this is, CB1000 has a different starter motor to all the other models. So it's quite hard to pinpoint which starter motor you need. So it's in here, basically right in the depths of the airbox. So I'm not sure what the quickest and easiest way of getting it out. It's going to have to come out this way anyway, so all of this stuff is in the way. So I've took the motor off, and it's definitely an aftermarket motor. Where's the casing at? So the back half of the casing, it's got some damage on it. Can't see anything else wrong with it really. There's a little bit of wear on the brushes, but when you compare it to the new one, it's not that much different really. So I think it is an aftermarket motor. So it's not the original one. So we're just going to have to try a new one. See if it's got any more power. Okay, so just an update. I've got the new starter motor in. It's a £200 aftermarket unit. The one that we took out is definitely an aftermarket starter motor as well. There wasn't any signs of problems with that one, but we always thought that because it cranks slower, that was why it wouldn't start. So I've got the new one in, and without having to do all the sensors and everything, I'm going to try and start it. I mean, there's a chance that it won't crank, but we'll just give it a crank now and see what it sounds like. So that sounds quite a lot better than the old starter did. So that's promising. So I've got to put it all back together, and I've got to change the rectifier as well, and then I'm going to take it for another test ride. To do this job, basically you've got to get the airbox off, which means that you've got to remove the throttle bodies and the airbox together. They come off like that, and then they slide out slightly. The throttle cables have to come off at the handlebar. And then, yeah, you split the airbox open and you remove it off the throttle bodies, and then you can get access to the starter motor. It's quite a lot to do. Yeah, and there's virtually a finger's width around the back of the airbox, so you can't get the airbox off without taking the throttle bodies off. So you have to do it that way, unfortunately. By what that did last time, it dropped below 10 volts when it was cranking, so that's a bit more positive, I think.
Just get it hot though, and then bring it back.
Yeah, I'm going to let it run up to temperature.
You're going to pull it out of the garage, so you don't gas the fucking entire house.
Yeah, we'll get it out for you.
And gas yourself, mate, yeah?
Yeah, we'll get it out. Get it over there. cable. Still charging.
Taking for a ride and then bring it back to restart. Then I'll be like that.
Yeah. Well, that's a bit of an improvement.
Positive.
Yeah, definitely. Right, get it back together before we get another hurricane.
Yeah, definitely, mate.
I'm going to sit here for a minute and figure out how to get in the neutral. Just going to let it warm up for a bit. I want to get it warm really to see if it's got any issues. Seems fine, obviously. Battery's charging now, so I've got no issues with battery charge. Got a quick shifter on, but I've barely ridden a bike with quick shifter, so it seems like a lot better than the last time I rode it. Up to 84. Absolutely fine, guys. Pull in here. Really graded lines. Right. Yeah, so he's got braided lines on. And they've connected all the pistons up with these lines. Oh, except that one. Oh no, that one isn't. That one's not drilled, so yeah, lots of brake lines, but it's running great. I think it's fixed. I don't think there's anything wrong with this bike. Oh, wrong way. Right, we'll get back home quick. 16 degrees. Perfect.
Right, now we start.
What do you think of that? took a little bit longer there, but try it again. Okay, fair enough. Good start.